Hey guys, we are literally making our way to the beach. Whew. It's over there. It's so nice today, so beautiful. Hold his hand, Silly, please. Take your time. We're literally, this is our local beach. We just live over there somewhere. Hold his hand, Silly, wait for me, guys. Whew. I barely just will start walking and I'm blowing like a cow already. Whew. Hold back, Tilly, and wait. It's so busy today. Everybody's doing something, I think. Whew. Yeah, take your time. Careful. Come on my side. Oh, like some people are out already doing their thing. Good morning. You alright?
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, trying to. Yeah, thank you. Oh, look at this dog. Oh, wow. Hold on to your brother, good Tilly. Hold Angelo tightly, Tilly, because it's steep. It's a bit steep down.
Come on, boy.
Careful, we're going to walk all the way down the bottom, I think, because this bit is a bit further down. The sea, the tide is gone right out.
What, up?
Yeah, up. I really thought I was going to dip today, but it doesn't look possible, does it, Deshay? I'm not going that far out to go get a bit of a swim. We see how we do. Angela, you ready for a drink? Let me take your phone, Deshay.
Huh?
Take your phone. Guys, we've kind of stopped here. This is like peace and quiet, letting them get on with what they're doing. There's so much has been happening. Deshay had a football injury. He's recovering now. He even had a cast on his leg and everything. Thank God it's not the worst it could have been, you know. So we give God thanks, and he's on the mend now. So if you see him kind of running with a little bit of a limp, he's recovering. So yeah, just here hanging out, having fun. Yeah, it's a good job I brought some, isn't it?
Yep.
Run down there.
Yep, Sancho.
He's pretty fast.
Good shot. He's having a lunch, basically. Hungry. It's alright. We stopped at Tesco, we didn't vlog it. It's quick in and out. What?
Oh, careful, there's
Bless him, he's enjoying himself. Good shot. Shot, mate. What did we get from Tesco's? Let me show you guys. Let me cover down the phones. Some snacks there. I think I want my drink. Oh, I've got coconut water. Which one should I have? I'm gonna have my Red Bull to kind of pick me up a little. I've got coconut water in there as well.
There you go.
Guys, we're still up on the ledge. Pardon, yeah. And yeah, this is a little. I swapped it out the Tesco bag because we had some stuff in here as well. So Tesco bag is turned into a bin bag. Need to put the phone away from the sun, so I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, you want me to record you? You want me to do it on my phone or yours?
My phone.
Okay.
Please. I can do it on
Set it up.
both.
Set it up. You can
So
send
you
it
can
to
post it on
mine.
your face.
Alright.
Like you always do.
But just make sure you don't.
Oh, the sand's feeling good on the toes.
I'm not ready to experience that feel yet.
Sand everywhere, as usual.
Ready? You
I might
still got
fail,
thingy
so-
on your lips, Shane, the sandwich. Can't say I never told you. Ready? Yeah, you're alright, don't worry. Go.
Been a
Take
long...
it easy. Is that your bad foot?
No, I can do it. It's been a long 4 weeks.
Just take it easy. Wait. Shit.
You missed it.
Alright, go again, sorry, because I'm have to do the vlogging and the camera. You know what your mum's like.
It's really hard on the sand, man. Or it might just be I'm bad or it's hard on
Just
the sand.
take your time. And don't forget that's a different type of ball as well, so. Go on, Shane.
Sorry.
I was getting quick around the world. And then
No, that's a bit too
Being
ambitious.
too ambitious. At least done it in the house. Easily.
Whoa.
Close.
Yeah, I think I did it.
I didn't
Look
get
if it,
that.
look
Angelo, I
if I
left
catch
your
it.
drink here, okay?
I didn't get that clean.
There's Tesco bag is a rubbish bag, silly.
Can I take my shoes?
Wanna take your shoes off now? Go on then.
Hmm?
Yeah, go on. Yeah, feel the sand on your feet. Whoa.
Couldn't you tell me that?
What's wrong? What did I do?
Camera quality. Can't even see me really.
Alright, let's change the angle then. Where do you think I should go? I should go down and then you... Like slant. Remember what you told me? Not in the... Go that way because there's too much...
Rocks.
Yeah.
Can you see me better?
Yeah.
Alright. Bit of toes in my sand.
Sand in
Hey,
your
Angelo.
toes.
Angelo.
And your brother's trying to do something, Angelo. Give him a chance. Come,
Help
come.
this one.
Angelo,
Come, go to Tilly for now.
do some dancing.
Hold on. Ready?
Yeah. Shame.
Go on. I'm giving you 5 more minutes of my time. I haven't got time for you in this.
Ah. Maybe I go flip up.
Careful the rocks.
Go to Shane. Go to Shane. Whoa, wicked.
well, we couldn't land it.
Oh, you have to land it back again?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Wicked.
What are you doing with my ball? What are you doing with my ball?
Why you hold up your shorts, Angela? Your shorts are a long way from getting messed up. And you're going to get wet. It is your swimming shorts. It's your swimming shorts, Papa. Look inside, you know.
Oh, it's getting colder now. The sand
Yeah.
was warm before, but now it's getting cold.
Because the water's going to be freezing
We
if
can go
it's
touch
so
the
hot.
rocks.
No, I am not risking that one.
It's actually not that
I know. For real.
Oi, Angelo.
Why is it been pulling back so much though?
Hold on to him from now till he...
Can you
It's
go
actually
can you at
really
least
far
go on that
out.
side then?
Oh, this is hurting my foot.
Is it? And I thought that would be better than the pebbles.
No, it's wavy thing.
Oh, let me hold your hand, star son.
We'll take more pressure on the other one.
Remember when we used to live over there, Tilly?
Really? When?
What do you mean, when? You mother. Yeah, we're really far away. No, they don't mix stuff up here.
I told you.
It wasn't only about time.
I think Angelo's when her is too small, so she's got some right into the big feet. If you've got big feet like me, it hurts. Oh, fish.
I'm excited to see.
Where do you see fish?
Just kidding. No, we actually might see like, some sea creatures though, because like, we're actually pretty far out.
Yeah.
You can't find a crab.
Oh, don't say that. I don't want to see a crab, I want to run. If it's a big crab, I'm out of there. I'll run.
Listen to these kids. I really thought I was going to have like a proper swim and
Well, we can.
dunk my head in it. No way.
Because mine was going to be
But that is really far out.
It's going to take me, my wig on, my wig off and have a dip. But actually, I don't think so. I'm just wetting my feet. Are you having a swim, Shane?
I don't know. I think I'm going to like get my whole wetsuit wet.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow, it's pretty cold. Okay guys, you ready?
I'm alright.
The water is always frozen!
Oh no.
Oh, the water's so clear though.
It's nice. It feels nice, but my days, the temperature, it is I am not even gonna, remember, you don't go up far, Angelo. If you're not,
My recorder.
if you don't, I am recording. Angela Leonard Hart, I said you need to stay very close to me, okay?
Oh my feet. Oh my god. Stop. Mom, I am so cold.
It is frozen.
That creature.
It's not, it's just seaweeds, this Shane.
Watch it, I walk away.
Are you not going? It is freezing.
Stop. No, Mom.
Huh?
I'll go down there.
No.
No, I don't want to.
No, you can't go near the Shane because you're younger. Stand close to your mummy and hold on to your mum's foot. I mean it. Do you hear me, Angelo? We have to be very wise. It's cold. Angelo, be careful you don't fall.
What the fuck?
Angelo, calm down, please. Because I haven't got your hand, okay? No, I'm not going to put my phone away. That is seaweeds, it's not earth. So go. Are you going in or not? So you're going in, going from there. And go and go no further. Let's see if this Shane's going to brave it. Hey, calm down a bit, son. Angelo, I don't want my bum to be wet. This is actually freezing. Don't worry, Mummy will allow you to have a go in a little bit, okay? Huh? Are you gonna get in, do you think? See, you're not that unwell as well, so I don't know about it. This is like ice level water. That'll teach you. The Shane Herrings! Don't overdo it! Don't overdo it until he's there doing the most as well. Hold on to Mummy's leg so I know where you are. Angelo?
It went in my mouth.
Did it?
Yeah. I started screaming louder. Sorry.
Go on, Shane! Tilly, hold your brother's hand, please, so I can concentrate on what Shane's doing. Am I coming in? No.
I just stopped.
Angelo, stop so your sister can hold on to you.
Oh, I'm cold. Ah, stop it, it's cold. Stop it.
Angelo.
Stop it. Do you want me to splash you back?
No, bruv. Come on, then.
Got ya.
If I want to see some action, waste of time. Guys, we're packing up to go home. We're not even eating lunch here. Just gonna go home because the water is like really cold, too cold to go into. And we really had a nice time anyway because we sunned ourselves. And the kids had a little run around, so we don't want to overdo it until we're too exhausted to make our way back home. So yeah, we're going home now, guys. Hope you enjoy a little beach day. Say bye, guys.
It doesn't fit in the bag.
And the kids, you can tell they're getting knackered. They're getting tired, so we're gonna go home. Yeah, they're absolutely, well, like I said, I don't want to overdo it, that they're too tired that they start moaning. Tilly, say bye.
Bye.
Until next time, guys. Bye.